But yeah, I feel like if you had asked me before the knee procedure, I would have said just being able to, walk down the street without pain would have been my first goal. But so maybe now I'm a little bit greedy in terms of what I'm trying to get after now. But yeah, it's been a night and day difference for sure. Geoff is my first name, and I had a tibia plateau fracture and ACL, meniscus, knee explosion via a skiing crash. And from you guys, I had hardware removal and fixing the tibia, and then also had a full knee replacement post earlier procedures from a prior doctor that didn't have a great outcome. After I had the initial injury skiing, immediately had a surgery the same day, close to there, that kind of fixed the knee for the tibia fracture. And then I think a couple weeks later had a surgery where they put in plates and screws and had the whole armature and everything. And so after that went through, that was right when COVID happened, so I wasn't able to do any in-person physical therapy or stuff for the first like 2 or 3 months, and then did physical therapy, and about kind of got to a point where it wasn't making much progress in terms of range of motion and just being able to do regular stuff. And my surgeons who did the initial work just had a pretty underwhelming prognosis and didn't seem to think that much could be improved that much, frankly. And I ended up having just a work colleague had also had a tibia fracture from a motorcycle accident, and after initial doctors, somehow he came to Stone, and so he suggested Dr. Stone. So that's how I got involved here. Yeah, I mean, I couldn't do any normal stuff. I was on crutches. I could walk, a couple blocks with pain. I wasn't able to go up and down stairs normally. I mean, I couldn't do anything normal, so it was, certainly couldn't do anything active or athletic, but even kind of normal day-to-day stuff was pretty challenging. So a little down from the prior surgeons just seemed to think sort of the knee got stuck at, gosh, what was it? At a certain angle where you still couldn't do very much, and they just didn't seem to think that anything else could be helped. So I was a little down about that, and really didn't know if I would be able to do something like, even go for a jog or a run, let alone, play sports again, play with your kids at the park, all that kind of stuff. Wasn't sure if that was going to be possible again, or even just to walk around the block without a lot of pain and kind of limping around. So was kind of starting from a pretty low level in terms of any improvement was going to be certainly worthwhile. And so I was surprised and encouraged. Dr. Stone had a lot more optimistic view of what might be possible. I guess, well, the biggest thing was he seemed to think, not everything that could be done had been done. He respectfully disagreed, I think, with my prior surgeon's sort of expectations of what might be possible from another surgery and from additional physical therapy. And so Dr. Stone seemed to think with, gosh, I'm forgetting the word for the procedure, the manipulation under anesthesia, and through continued physical therapy, that the outcome could be a lot better and potentially could get back to not just doing normal stuff, around the house or with your kids, but even getting back to active sports and things like that. So that was really great to hear, and the person who recommended Dr. Stone had a lot of good things to say about him as well, and I spent a lot of time skiing growing up, and I know that he had a lot of background with working with the ski team, so kind of understood people who mess themselves up doing things that they love. I mean, ideally we would like to get back to just skiing with the same kind of confidence and not worrying about things that I had before, or at least as close to it as possible. So that's kind of my main goal right now. But yeah, I feel like if you had asked me before the knee procedure, I would have said just being able to, walk down the street without pain would have been my first goal, but so maybe now I'm a little bit greedy in terms of what I'm trying to get after now. But yeah, it's been a night and day difference for sure.